Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hi, welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. How are you today? Forehand fast serve is very important nowadays.
应该说还是比较辛苦，包括像王励勤，他拿全运会完了以后，身体也是出现了一些小问题。因为说，应该说现在许昕在。
And Marlong's.
哎呀，马龙的胆量真大。
Many coaches forget that a good and fast serve is very effective.
Voila. And Marlong.
Forehand fast serve is an indispensable tool to survive in this modern table tennis. Unlike several training courses that didn't focus enough on the quality of a long and fast serve. Look at the new trends in table tennis, Tomokazu Harimoto and Miyu Hirano's playing style. They incorporate the fast serve efficiently in the new trending counter-attack playing style. Nowadays, many top players use forehand fast serve. Back in history, the master of this type of serve is Jan-Ove Waldner, the Mozart of table tennis. And today,
5 consecutive points for Waldner.
双方现在都是压对方的反手，然后搓对方的正手，牵制对方。
table tennis comes back to the speed and power era. Fast serve gives so many advantages. Advantages of the fast forehand serve big surprise to the opponent. Put opponent under pressure to return it correctly or to be attacked in the next ball. Reduce the quality of the service return of the opponent. Less time means more concentration is needed to answer it correctly. And the most important reason is open immediately the rallies and counter rallies, which is the mainstream of modern table tennis. You have a higher chance to attack first and get the advantage in the next rally.
Han slår till serven och så tittar han bakåt för att få en reaktion. Det här är Jan-Ove Waldner.
Situation. Oh.
Ah, fantastisch. Frech.
How to do that? To make a fast forehand serve, follow these key steps. First, adopt a proper stance with your feet shoulder width apart and your body balanced. Position the ball slightly to the right of your body if you are right-handed, left if you are left-handed. Next, utilize a short backswing and generate power from your legs, hips, and core. As you swing forward, snap your wrist and accelerate the racket head to increase the speed. Finally, focus on a low trajectory and precise placement. Keep the ball low over the net and aim for the corners or the middle of the table to make it harder for your opponent to return. To make your serve faster, always hit the ball low to the table. Hit the ball at the position as low as possible, lower than the net height.
Oh, 哇，好球好球！这球出手的一瞬间啊，会让人有但是出手的时候，我们看它逆旋转是一个直线走的。这球。
你就是要 尽情的哇 S，
再来看一下，哇，
这是
看看丁宁的发球能不能再起到效果。哦，漂亮，真是出其不意啊！
对，我根本没有任何的准备，
这出手这一刹那才决定球啊。
Tennis. Good one.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.